To set the file app to open the NOT files in Windows 11 Home, right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next, click on tab apps and then select the file apps. Scroll down the screen, find films and TV. Next, tap films and TV. Scroll down the screen, find the MOD. Next, tap .MOD default app, and then select app you want to set as default. For example, Windows Media Player, and then tap OK. Now Windows Media Player set as default app to open .mod files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.